It's starting to rain. Are you guys sure we should stay out here? Yeah, what if you guys get sick? Mom, Dad, we'll be fine. The rain's fun. Yeah, it's fine out here. Alright. We're gonna go soon, though. Okay? I don't want you guys to get hurt or sick or anything. Blah, blah, blah. Who cares about that stuff? Come on, let's play! Woohoo! I'm gonna just lay down over here because the rain is really fun and nice. I don't know if we should stay out here. Our fur is gonna get all wet. I don't care. It's lots of fun out here. Plus, it'll cool us off. At least we're not dying of sweat. I mean, she's got a point. Exactly, so let's just stay out here. Woo! I think I'm gonna go join Sister in laying down. But laying down is boring. I just want to play. I don't know, I think I'll come back to play with you in a bit. But I think I'm gonna join our sister for a tiny bit. Fine, well since I have nothing really better to do, I guess I'll join you guys. It's slowly starting to pick up more and more. Yeah, you're right. I think maybe we should call them in. What was that noise? I think that was thunder. And after thunder, usually there's lightning. Yeah, you're right. We probably should get them inside the den. We should probably keep them safe. Yeah, you're right. We don't want to keep them out here too long. And especially with the thunder and lightning. Let's go get them. Yeah. Alright. We're all gonna go inside the den because it's starting to rain and, like, pretty hard. And I just heard thunder, and after thunder, there's usually lightning. Aw, man. Come on, guys, we have to go. Dang it, I was actually starting to get pretty comfortable. Can we stay up and watch the storm from the den? Actually, that's not a bad idea. Sure, you guys can stay up a little later to watch the thunder and lightning. Yay! I love to stay up late. Alright, come on, let's go. Yay! Hurry, get in the den! It's starting to rain really hard. I have some food for us, okay? I'll go get it. It's a good thing they went inside, because it's starting to really pour outside. Eat up, guys. Ah, oh my gosh, why did that plant just scare the crap out of me? Holy crap.